Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for opening this video. I'm Claudia, real estate agent in Jamaica. If you want to sell, or buy, or build real estate, hit the subscribe button and remember the notification bell. Welcome everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia.
And I'm Tony.
Thank you so much for opening this video. We're realtors in Jamaica. So a lot of you will approach us to buy a property or to sell property. Those of you buying will more than likely need to access a mortgage. So today we will be showing you how you can use the loan amortization calculator to help you determine how much mortgage you actually qualify for. Ladies and gentlemen, before you access the loan, you'd want to call the bank or the financial institution that you're thinking of to access this loan and ask them a couple of things. So you're going to ask them what is their interest rate. In Jamaica, interest rates are now running anywhere from 6.9 up to about 8%. You'd also want to ask them the period within which they will give you the loan. In Jamaica, we give loans up to age 70. So if you're 50 or you're 55 like myself, you can only get a mortgage of 15 years. That's how much the length of period that I would be able to access the mortgage for. And you also need to know their debt service ratio. Antonian, so what else would they want to know?
Well, from their end, they'll also need to know the gross income that they earn. So that's the income they earn before taxes are deducted. And they'll also need to know the amount for all current loans that they have. But Mom, what's a debt service ratio?
All right, so the bank is looking at two things. Debt service ratio. So they're looking at your gross debt service, which is DDS, or they're either looking at your total debt service, which is TDS. Now, GDS actually means what percentage of your gross salary you can use for housing costs. In Jamaica, that's anywhere from 30 to 35%. So they're saying 30 to 35% of your gross income can be used as housing, a mortgage for a house. So if you're earning 100,000, they're saying 30,000 is what can be used for a mortgage, right? Now, TDS, that's the housing cost plus any other debt. So if you have a mortgage of 30,000, plus you have a student loan of 15,000, you have a car loan of another 15,000, that would be 60,000. So if the total debt service ratio is 50%, then you would be outside of the debt service already, and you wouldn't be able to get any more mortgages or personal loan or car loan or any of those, because you have used up the total debt service already. Right. Okay. So, all right. So let's get into the loan amortization calculator. So you can get into this calculator by just simply going into Google and type loan amortization calculator. And well, if any one of them that pops up, you can use it, right? So this one, so let us say Tonian wants to access a loan of $10 million. So you type in $10 million in the column. You want to access it. I would want to access a loan of 10 million. My loan term, as I said, would have been 15 years. Interest rates, let us go with interest rates of about 7.5% and calculate. So this is telling me that my mortgage, my monthly payments would be $92,701, and I would make a total of 180 payments, which would be $16,686,000. And the total interest that I would pay over the 15-year would be $6,686,000. But we're not too worried about the total payments or the interest payments. What we're focusing on today is the monthly payments. How much per month? So this tells me that I need can pay a mortgage of $92,701. In Jamaica, the debt service ratio is running anywhere from 45% up to 50%. For ease of calculation, let us say 50%. So if I'm earning $100,000 and a debt service ratio is 50%, what it means is that I only have 50,000 out of my 100,000 to use as a loan, can pay a loan, right? And I'm trying to borrow, how much was it? 10 million at 7.5% for 15 years. That comes out at 92,701.
You wouldn't be able to afford it.
Not this loan, not a $10 million loan, not on an income of 100,000.
But maybe if you're younger and had a couple more years to pay the loan, you could.
Maybe. Let us see. So let us see if I was younger and I had maybe 40 years to repay the loan, then I would see, let us see if I would be able to afford a $10 million loan at 7%, 7.5%. That's 65,000.
Still wouldn't be able to.
I still wouldn't be able to. Not if I had student, and then if I had student loan and all these things.
You wouldn't be able to, because you would need to be below 50,000.
Right, I have to be at 50,000 without any loans at all. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you would use it. So what you would do, you take your gross income and you're going to take 45% or 50%, depending on what the banks tell you the debt service ratio is. So you would take that percentage of your gross income, and then you're going to say, okay, this is the amount I have for loan. And you're going to now add up all the loans that you have already. Some of you already have mortgage loans, car loan, student loans, credit card payments that you have to make. In Jamaica, we have furniture loan to like Courts and Singer and those people. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you have to do it, right? So you'll have an idea of how, if you would qualify for the loan. In our other videos, we show you what else you can use the loan amortization calculator to calculate. You can also use it to calculate how quickly you can pay off a loan. But we'll do that in other videos. If you have not seen our video on the NHT calculator, you can click. Also, click. Tony's going to put it somewhere in the description, Tony, or somewhere on the screen.
No, it'll be at the top.
It'll be at the top. All right. You also, if you want to be connected to a mortgage officer, please go in the description below. Complete your name, email address, and phone number. It will come to us, and we will organize for you to walk you through the process of getting this pre-approval letter that you will need if it is that you will be needing a loan. Some of you don't need a loan, just back out your cash and buy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we'll see you in the next video. I'm Claudia.
And I'm Tony.
Thank you so much for staying with us. And remember, be great to yourself.
And buy real estate.
Bye.
Bye-bye.